Do you understand English but feel nervous when you want to speak? If English feels hard, this lesson is for you. In the next 5 minutes, you will speak real English slowly and with confidence. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need many words. You only need one simple idea. Speaking English starts with simple sentences. First, just listen. Don't repeat yet. Listen and relax. I wake up early. I drink some coffee. I start my day. Very simple, very real. Now, listen and speak with me slowly. I wake up early. I wake up early. Good. I drink some coffee. I drink some coffee. Good. I start my day. I start my day. Very good. Now, make it your English. Change one word. I drink some tea. I drink water. I drink juice. Now, say one sentence about your morning. Slowly. There is no mistake. You just spoke English. That is real progress. 5 minutes a day is enough. You are doing great. Listen again tomorrow. Subscribe, and we will practice together, step by step.